Hello! Welcome to Fact Bubbles channel. In this video, several Greek gods are introduced along with key facts about them. Zeus, king of the gods, ruler of Mount Olympus, and god of the sky and thunder. Hera, queen of the gods and goddess of marriage and family. Poseidon, god of the sea, earthquakes, and horses. Demeter, goddess of agriculture and the harvest. Athena, goddess of wisdom, courage, and warfare. Apollo, god of the sun, music, and prophecy. Artemis, goddess of the hunt, wilderness, and the moon. Ares, god of war. Aphrodite, goddess of love and beauty. Hephaestus, god of blacksmiths, craftsmen, and fire. Hermes, messenger of the gods, god of commerce and travel. Dionysus, god of wine, festivity, and theater. Subscribe.